This dashboard is called star effect dashboard. Majorly in dashboard, you have to just do common thing. The seat zooming size should be 150 plus, and first you have to select a range where you want to put your dashboard. You want to create your dashboard, same thing, you have to just merge a range where you can put headings. So these are the things which is very much common. Now dashboard, in this dashboard what we can do is simply you have to use equal sign, go to the data and click with this like heading. Because this is cell reference, so you will get your data here in this way. This is again dynamic, because if you are putting here any modification or putting here any difference or name or any changes, so you can see the effect. There is a only Deep instead of Amardeep. So now you can see Deep is there. Now we have to use some formatting kind of thing here. So use all border, center alignment. This should be more presentable. So use formatting kind of thing here. So we have one extra column, so you should delete, or you have to delete the area or extra columns. Now this is the first step. Now second step is, there is a very good option here. So what you can do is just select a range, carefully see the effect, and just selecting to 3 cells and merging. So there is a cell here, and I want, if I put here 1 this time, so this is the different concept. If I put 1, I want the first quarter data of all person. If you put second, you will get the second quarter performance for the all employee. This is based on team performance. This was based on individual performance, but now this is based on team performance. So now how we can do this? Just remember choose function equals to choose. There is an index number is there, so click here. So this is the index number. They are asking about value 1, value 2, value 3. So you have to just move to data. Value 1 means this, comma, value 2 means this, value 3 means this, value 4 means this, and just close it, and now you can drag it. See.
Doctor, can I request you one thing if you don't mind?
Yes, please.
Instead of employee performance, can you give the example of sales register, where we have a customer name, then we have a different type of products, then we have a quantity, then we have a sales value, something like that. Sales register example again, if you like to help us, everyone who is in this call.
Okay, no problem, no problem. We can do the same things. See, so I am creating some another data, which is data 1. In this data 1, we have maybe just a salesperson name. this is the sales city name, that should be like this.
The region also.
Huh,
Does not.
definitely.
Well, this is the most complicated for all of us. This dashboard.
Yeah, no worry about that, because concept is important. If you have very good concept, then you can apply your concept on any data. So this is product kind of thing. So we have multiple product here, and now we are putting a sales value. Quantity, okay. So quantity is there, and value, sales value.
And you can put just one more thing, like example ESP, that is value quantity. So we also have that.
Another field, what do you want?
ESP, average selling price.
Okay,
ESP. And add another one more column, that is region. This is okay.
okay. We are putting here zone, maybe region or zone. So region is, you can say city is there, so zone not required. Even you want to put, then put zone, north, south, east, west. Anything else?
One historical data, one is the current year month wise, and last 4 years sale data, like in 2019, 2020, 2021, and YTD 2022. This quantity is of a particular month or a year, so I just want to have a past data also and then current year month wise data also.
So why should we can go with why should not go with pivot dashboard? That should be better if you have multiple. Yes, तो pivot dashboard एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा जब हमें बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डेटा पे काम करना है. तो पाइवट, ये परफॉर्मेंस डैशबोर्ड है कि हम सिटी वाइज कर लें, वो कर लें. अच्छा, व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज कि यू हैव माय ईमेल आईडी. एक जो रफ डेटा है जो रियल टाइम में आप यूज़ करते हैं, वो डेटा आप हमें एक प्रैक्टिस काइंड ऑफ बना के जो जो हेडिंग्स आपको चाहिए आप हमें सेंड कर दें.
ठीक है.
सो नेक्स्ट जो हमारी सेशन होगी ना, हम उसी डेटा पे आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से पाइवट ये वो जो कुछ भी लगाना होगा उसी पे हम लोग एनालिसिस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो वी कैन इम्प्लीमेंट रियल टाइम काइंड ऑफ थिंग. जी, फिलहाल जो ये इतना जैसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर देंगे तो यहाँ पे ये जो है ना स्टार इफेक्ट बेसिकली परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस के लिए किया जाता है. तो इस जगह पे इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डेटा के लिए ये नहीं. फिर हमारे लिए पाइवट टेबल बहुत आसान रहेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा आसान रहेगा. उसमें फॉर्मूले वगैरह हमें नहीं लगाना होगा. सो प्लीज़ प्रिपेयर योर लाइक प्रैक्टिस काइंड ऑफ डेटा एंड सेंड मी. Will cover next dashboard on particular that data. ठीक है.
Okay.
इसको मैं फिर से सिंपल ही बना देता हूँ. एक्चुअली स्टार डैशबोर्ड में व्हाट वी कैन डू इज कि जैसे टीम वाइज इकट्ठा हमें परफॉर्मेंस देखना है कि सारे लोगों ने मिलके क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, परफॉर्म किया है। इस तरह की एनालिसिस के लिए इसका यूज करेंगे हम लोग। से जब आपके पास 8 से 10 डैशबोर्ड का आइडिया रहेगा, सो आफ्टर दैट you can easily understand which dashboard is applicable for which data। ये हमारे लिए आसान हो जाएगा बाद में। चाहे डेटा किसी भी तरीके को, हमारे पास इतने ऑप्शन होंगे कि उसमें से क्या चीज़ें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें छोड़ सकते हैं, उस पर वर्कआउट करेंगे हम लोग। पहले हम लोग सिंपल स्टार डैशबोर्ड देख लेते हैं। फॉर दिस आई गेस यहाँ तक रेडी हो गया था कि हमने एक हेडिंग बना ली थी, हमने जस्ट सेल रेफरेंस से इस डेटा को पुल कर लिया था। नाउ पॉइंट इज हाउ वी कैन पुट डेटा क्वार्टरली। इफ यू पुट 1 here, so you can get the first quarter data, something like that. So what was the function? That was choose function. So again, choose index number should be this. You have to just phrase it, comma, value 1, value 2. So value 1 is from data, this is the data, second this, third this, fourth this. So now in this case you will get a data on the basis of quarter. How? If you put here 2, you will get the second quarter performance. If you put here 3, you will get the third, same way fourth. So if this is based on quarterly, this can be based on monthly, so you have to create 12 up to Jan, Feb, March kind of thing. If you are placing here city wise, so if you have 5 cities, then you have to just create 5 or 10 or 15 kind of thing. So now even we can change here data. So this is based on city wise. So we have Patna, then we have Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. So see, in this dashboard, if I am putting 1 means we are talking about Patna, 2 means we are talking about Delhi, 3 means we are talking about Mumbai and so on, something like that. So if you have 10 city, then you have to put under choose function 10 values. We have just applied only 4 values, so you have to apply your values as per data. तो ठीक है, हमारा इतना चीज रेडी हो गया। नाउ पॉइंट इज दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन स्टार इफेक्ट, दैट इज समथिंग बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस. So there should be a criteria of performance. Suppose we have a criteria of value versus number of star. So suppose your performance is 1 to 24.9, so your star rating should be 1. If your score is 25 to 50, that means 49.9, then star rating should be 2. If your performance is in between 50 to 60, so performance number of stars should be 3. 60 to 80, then that should be 4. And if your performance is greater than equal to 80, that should be 5. Suppose there is a parameter. In this parameter you want number of star, total number of star you want here. So how we can do this? Anyone? How we can do this? So actually we need a helping column where we can put number of star. See, this is very easy actually. So equals to VLOOKUP. This is the lookup value and this is the table. That should be fridge and number of star is second. This is the in second column and just 0. So this is the VLOOKUP. If you apply VLOOKUP with 0 exact match, you can't get any answer. You have only one answer because this is exactly 60. That is why. So just remember there is an approx match option. So you have to put 1 instead of 0. So you will get the performance of all participants. So here we have second stage. After doing this, if you put 1, so you will get the performance of Patna and their number of star. So this is based on their performance. So if you put here second, this is the based on second quarter or second city or third city or fourth city, something like that. So now point is how we can use a star symbol here. So just go for insert, there is a symbol option and simply you can import or insert a symbol of star. So that is in symbol, where under insert there is a symbol and symbol under symbol there is a webdings and under webdings you can search your star insert. So this is the process to import any of the symbol. My question is, I want total 5 star here. I want only in this case 4 stars should be there. This is very poor value. I want only 1 star here. So how we can put this? So there is a repeat function. REPT. Repeat means what you want to repeat. I want to repeat a star, number of star. Okay? And number of times. If you put 10 times, so that should be 10 star. Use formatting here so you can see number of star here. If you put suppose 20, so you will get 20 star here. But we have only 5 star option. So in the place of 20 or 10, you have to just select this. So you will get 5 star and accordingly you will get the performance of each person. Now you have to just use formatting kind of thing. So cell color should be black and font color should be white or maybe any light color, and you can put here star effect. You can put here star effect. Now actually we have done star effect. We have done how? If you put 1, so you will get the first quarter data or first city data or first product data. If you put second, so you will get their second data and accordingly you can see the star effect here. For presentation, what you can do is just take a help of chart. Just select your data, go for insert, and if you want a chart of line chart or any pie chart or anything, you can use, just remove the heading, try to use any shape effect and place it here, where we can place it here. formatting is very much important in dashboard because you are presenting something, so that should be presentable. So now you can see the effect. So basically we are creating a star effect, so this is the most important part. But for the presentation you can apply a chart also. So if you are just putting one here, so according to the first quarter or first city or first person or first sales or first month or first day, you will get the data. Most important is data, whatever the heading, that doesn't matter. On the basis of first data, on the basis of first data, we will get the total number of star here, and then on the basis of total number of star we can use repeat function for repeating number of star here. And now our dashboard is ready. Now you have to put here a perfect heading. So now we can just copy it to save our time, put here uh, that should be, so there is a performance report city wise, performance report for the financial year 2021, city wise for, and that should be C1 to C2, that is C2. So now you can see your heading is dynamic now, whether they are city or quarter or month doesn't matter, concept is same. Now we have one place where we can put a very good effect here. What we can put, we can use a button here, same button, which is spin button. I want a spin button here. That means if you don't want to write again and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 kind of, so you can just place here the formatting kind of thing, control here. So we need only 4, we don't have fifth data or fifth city, so we have only 4. So in control section, right click, form control, you have minimum 1 data and maximum we have only 4 data, and this is the cell link. I guess you are more familiar with this. So now how this looks like, if you are presenting something, you can just do more one thing here. You can merge data, you can merge, use average function here directly, equals to average of this. So here this not looks like very good here. So what we can do is just use, there is a orientation called like this, just increase the size of the font here, not that much, increase the font size, increase the percentage value here, and change the font here. So that should be this. Yeah, this looks very good font here. what you can do is just place black color with white font or any light font. Now you can see in second quarter, third quarter, fourth, something like that. This is pretty much good. Is it okay now, Anuj?
Yes, yes, sir.
We can actually we can implement this on our real database. So if you have idea, if you have ideology with good concept, so no matter what type of data you have, just do it. First of all, concept is very important. Here is the concept where we have to put their star effect. For a star effect, we need data. So we have applied choose function. After this, we need number of star kind of thing. So we have applied VLOOKUP with approx function. After this, we have used repeat function. After that, we can get for presentation kind of thing. So we can get here chart, and after that there is a button, and then this is not necessary, but yes, this is presentable now. So everything is depend upon your logic. If your logic is clear, then easily you can implement. We have so many fonts, we can use any of the font here. Even I think this is better one. Now this dashboard is ready. This is called star effect dashboard.